Hello guys, welcome to one more episode of Javad's Chemistry. My voice quality today is not up to the mark due to this cold over here, but I will try my level best to give you an idea about a new concept, that is IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds, and this is part 1. Well, in this concept of ours, in this episode of ours today, we are going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds without functional group, those that do not contain a functional group, rather they may contain a substitute. So that is my part 1. In my part 2, I am going to deal with the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds, those contain functional group. So let's make things very easy. In the previous episode of mine, my PUC first year students, I have dealt with the concept when I have said that the IUPAC nomenclature consists of a root word that will give you an idea about the parent chain. It has a primary suffix. The primary suffix will tell you whether it is an alkane, it is an alkene, it is an alkyne, or it is an alkene. Then today there will be no question of secondary suffix because we are not dealing with the functional. Secondary suffix comes into play organic compound ನಲ್ಲಿ functional group ಇದ್ದಾಗ secondary suffix ಇರ್ತದೆ. Functional group ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ secondary suffix ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ discussion ನಲ್ಲಿ we have got no role of a secondary suffix to play. Then root word ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ prefix. Prefix will give you an idea about the substituent. It may be an alkyl substituent or it may be some other substituent. ಈ prefix ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ term locant. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು? What is this locant ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ locant is nothing but it is a number. It is just a numerical, it is a number. What number? This is the number which represents the position of substituent. ಪೂರಾ chain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ locant will let you know. So this is about the IUPAC name of an organic compound that do not contain a functional group. ಏನಿರ್ತದ we have got a locant in case of substituent, we have got a prefix if there is a substituent present, the root word which will tell you about the parent chain, and primary suffix that will give you an idea about whether the chain is an alkane, whether it is an alkene, or whether it is an alkyne. So without wasting much of the time, let us go with some basic rules in understanding the IUPAC nomenclature. So IUPAC nomenclature andrene adu IUPAC nomenclature antandre what do you mean by IUPAC nomenclature? Naming an organic compound using the rules formulated by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Our rules are used ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we are going to provide a name to the organic compound. So let me go with the rules. The rule number 1. Rule 1, I call it as selection of parent chain. So what idea does this rule give you? What information does this rule give you? It will tell you an idea about the root word or word root. Using this law, using this rule, I can just tell the root word. See, the statement, English statement of the rule may change from book to book, author to author, but the gist ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು idea ಏನಿದೆ, or ಅದರದ್ದು information ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದು same ಇದೆ. Now I'll be using the rule in my own words. Definitely that will be parallel, that will be same as that of the rules formulated by IUPAC. Rule ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, how do you select the longest chain? How do you select the parent chain? Longest possible chain, longest possible chain having maximum number of longest possible chain having maximum number of substituents is referred as or is called the parent chain. Is called the parent chain. So when I am dealing with the example, the better option is let me take rule 2 also, and I will be clear with the using the example and explaining the things. So what does this rule 1 say? Longest possible chain having maximum number of substituents is called as the parent chain. And once you select the parent chain, rule 2 comes into play. Rule 2. What does rule 2 tell you? Rule 2 tell you about the numbering of the chain or numbering of the locants. Again, follow what I have to follow. The rule what I have to follow is the chain is numbered or the parent chain is numbered such that the parent chain is numbered such that the substituents get the lowest locant. Now here again locant ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ number. Don't worry, ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But before applying to an example, you should be thorough with the definition and understand the definition. Rule 1 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? Rule 1 tells you that you have to select the longest chain. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, you have to select the longest chain. Once you select the longest chain, then you have to number that chain. Numbering ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಲೋವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ must get the lower number. So you can have a screenshot of this. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎರಡು ಲಾ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಲಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ನೋ ವರೀಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. once I have completed the IUPAC nomenclature, you will be getting the notes in my Google Drive. Don't worry about it. But before that, please share the channel, subscribe the channel, and let your friends know about the channel. Right? So let's go with the examples and discuss, apply these particular laws. That is law 1, law of root word, law 2, law of number. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. Let me go with the simplest examples. See, I've got a molecule of the type CH3, CH2, 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 a CH2 again, and a CH2. So, I have not written it in a crooked fashion. Neither I have added any substituents on that. Simple straight chain and so we'll just try and practice how to name this. So ಏನಂದ್ರೆ carbon 1, we know that it is meth. So ನೀವು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ once you select the longest chain, ಈ ಬೇರೆ selection ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, because I've got a single chain, there is no case of selection. So directly let's recite the numbers. Meth, it, prop, but, pen, hex. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbon atoms under hex. Dear friends, what you can do is when you are naming the organic compound, please remember this mantra: meth, it, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, and dec. 1, 2, 3, 4 ಹೇಳೋ ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋ very easy for you. So in what do? Instead of telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, you can straight away say myth, it, prop, but, pent, hex. So definitely the root word for this particular example of mine is hex. You can see there is only a carbon-carbon single chain present in my longest chain. There is no double bond. There is no double bond. That's why the primary suffix is A-N-E. This happens to be my root word, and my primary suffix is A-N-E. A-N-E. Idea about that? Alright? Next, numbering. So no requirement of numbering for this chain because there are no substituents. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? The IUPAC name of this compound is hex A. Sir, why not locant? Locant ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ? Substituent. Sir, why no prefix? Prefix ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ? Substituent. Substituent ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ there is no locant, there is no prefix, directly the root word and the primary suffix. That's why the root word hex, primary suffix A N E. I hope I'm clear with this simple example. Let's step up. One ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ I ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll just start playing with this example. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂಚೂರು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಣ. Not this. I've got an example. It appears that there are branches. But now what do you mean by branch? The ray diagram ಅನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there are no branches. If you have got something like this and there is a third end, we say that there is a branch. There is fourth end, we say that there is a branch. You know, this is my starting point. And this is my end point. This is my starting point. This is my end point. If you plan a track, it is something like this. Are there any branches? No. Bartiddu branched compound tara bardidare graph madlikke bitre there are no branches over here. So what is the name of this compound? You can just go on naming this compound and just cut this off. Chalo. But chalo, it is myth, it, prop, but, pent, and hex. Same compound what I had given in the previous example, adhe repeat madidini ಒಂದು different direction ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? There are 6 carbon atoms, so hex, it is an alkane, hence it is an hexane. It is a hexane. I hope I am clear with this. Yes. Now let me go with one more example. ठीक है? Right. Now look at this example. If you see, when you are practicing, you go with the pencil to know whether there are branches or not. So I've got one end over here. Now I've got a straight chain like this, which will end over here. But there is a branch. There is a branch. It indicate what? The line diagram indicate what? Idea what? Compounder branch. Once there is a branch, then your work starts. Select the longest chain. Count one. Start with any end, and count the numbers. So if you count, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So you can have 5 carbon atoms in this particular direction. There are 5 carbon atoms. Go with the other end. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. There are 5 carbon atoms in this direction. So anyhow you go, your longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Follow ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You go like this or you go like this. You go along the direction A or you go along the direction B. There are 5 carbon atoms. ठीक है? Now what I have to do? I have to select anyone. So A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ, B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. For easy being, ನಾನು ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ A ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I don't know. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? You can. ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me start with this point. If I count it in this direction, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 carbons. Innother chain ಯಾವುದು possible? ಈ direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 carbons. ಇದನ್ನ chain A ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ chain B ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ who will be my parent chain? A or B? Definitely A, because it contains maximum number of carbons. There are 5 carbons. Follow my point? So I got my root word. The root word for this chain is pent. Why pent? Count the number. Meth, it, prop, but and pent. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What about the primary suffix? We are dealing with the alkanes, so primary suffix is A-N-E. Now next point is I have to start numbering the chain. Okay. If you observe, I can start numbering from this direction. Avaga this carbon will get number 1. Chain adashte number 1, not other things. This carbon will get number 2. This will be 3. This will be 4, and this will be 5. Now if I start numbering from the other end, E direction, the numbering start. This will get 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. This will be 4, and this will be 5. Okay, just circle it so that it becomes easy. This is 4, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. I hope I clear. ಈಗ ಯಾವ numbering correct? Which numbering is correct? For that, let me write the answer. So if I number along the direction left to right, that is an yellow numbering, then again see there, I have got a substituent at position 2. So my locant will be 2 and my substituent, or I can say the prefix, it is a 1 carbon atom prefix, that's why it is methyl. If it was 2 then ethyl, if it was 3 then quite the same thing, alkane minus 1 hydrogen, alkyl substituent. This is one way of naming. What is the other name? Let me write balance so that we can understand. Root word same hoitade, pent. Then your primary suffix will also remain same, A-N-E. Locant will change now. Locant can occur from the right to left direction. Locant 4, 1, 2. And what about the prefix? It is methyl. ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ರಾಂಗ್. So let me write the complete name using this data. It is 4-methyl pentane. 4-methyl pentane. And what about this compound? This is 2-methyl pentane. Now guys, look at this, an answer which is your correct IUPAC name and which is wrong. The rule says that, the first rule says that select the longest chain as your parent chain. In both the cases I have used the longest chain as my parent chain, that is pentane. So first rule prakara idu correct, idu correct. What does my rule 2 tell you? Rule 2 tell you that number the chain in such a way that the substituent get the lowest locant. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ locant 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ locant 4 ಇದೆ. Lower number ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ lower number is 2. Hence your correct answer, your appropriate answer is this, that is 2-methyl pentane, and your wrong answer is 4-methyl pentane. As simple it is, but you should understand. Just you have to select the lowest locant, lower number locantally content. I hope I am clear. You can have a screenshot of this if you want and practice it. Right? So next example you go, we'll just change the example and try and understand. So I'll keep this part ready for me so that I can not use it again. Parallel answers ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, right wrong comparison ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, so that when you are practicing you can straight away write the right answers for your understanding and ಎರಡು ಬರೀ. So let me go with the other example. Seems to be an easy example, but it is not an easy example. No, possible change. End point and now guys. Let me go with this end point first. The end point is the start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ start ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Okay, so I can have 1 2 3 4 ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. Go with the other direction 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I think ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I got 5 carbon atoms. Okay, 1 2 3 4 ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈಗ, ನಾವು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್. ಇದು ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ 4 is lower. ಇದು ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ 5 is lower. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 5 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರ 1 2 3 4 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 5. समझना, पेरेंट चेन लॉन्गेस्ट टर्म, हाईएस्ट टर्म. नेक्स्ट नोट 1 2 3 4 5. अरे here also let me make it as hashtag. So this is hashtag 5. You have to remember the competition. Are there any other ends? illu ಒಂದು end ಇದೆ, just count 1 2 3 4 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ 5 ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓ ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡೋದು, let me take this as some other symbol, star icon, hashtag icon. Let me take double right symbol. So in double right symbol ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ 5 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are there. If you go with this blue, I've got 6 carbon. So in 6 ಬಂದಾಗ lower number ತಾನೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. So ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ. Why ಬೇಡ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when selecting the parent chain you have to go with the longest possible chain. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗ I am going to get 6 carbon atoms. So this happens to be my parent chain. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಾಗ 5 lower than 6, 5 lower than 6, 5 lower than 6. Idea ಬಂತಾ guys? I hope you follow this. So what is the root word ಅಂತಂದಾಗ it is hex. 6 carbon atoms, that's why it is hex. What about the primary suffix A-N-E? And we are dealing with the alkanes, so it is A-N-E. Now comes the locant. Now comes the locant. No, numbering now. So let me start numbering from end A and ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು numbering ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this becomes 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. So ನನಗೆ ಬಂತು third carbon atomಗೆ ಒಂದು methyl. So my first locant is 3. Then at fourth carbon illondu branch ಇದೆ, illondu branch. ठीक, so branch at third and fourth, so 3, 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ locant. Okay na, ಯಾಕೆ 3, 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. What about the substituents ಅಂತಂದಾಗ methyl, at 3 there is methyl and at 4 also there is methyl. ಈಗಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, this is just for your practice. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ. Second side numbering ಹೋಗೋಣ. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4 and this will be 5, this will be 6. You know 3 methyl 4 same answer but answer change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the name ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3, 4 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1-methyl monomethyl. Here is the di. It is dimethyl. ठीक है, hex AN. This is the iodine. 3,4 dimethyl hexane. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು law ನ apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If rule number 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, I just write it here. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು rule number 3 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If similar substituents are present, then number of such similar substituents is represented as di for 2, tri for 3, so on. With, this is very important, with appropriate locant ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. 3,4 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ I have to give the proper address when I write the allocation. I hope I clear this third rule. If similar substituents are present multiple times, then number of similar substituents, if they are present 2 times, di. If they are present 3 times, tri, and so on. Right? So one more example. I hope you have taken a screenshot. I've got a very simple example for you all. So if you observe, I've got 2 ends to this chain and 1 branching over there. So branching and let me make a design so that it will be easy for us to identify. So on the design, pencil pen, right? So start naming and numbering. I'll mark this as end A and this as end B. So start numbering from end A or select the parent chain first. So number formula inside purple. First part 1 into root word, then comes primary suffix, then comes locand, then comes prefix. We are not using the secondary suffix because we are not talking about the organic compounds maintaining function. The root word is meth, pitch, prop, butane, hexane. Reverse will be meth, pitch, prop, butane, hexane. So it has to be 7 carbon atoms kept into that. There are no double or triple bonds, so it is A and on the part of the Mugita heptane. Numbering and A in the side A in the numbering marka bandi. So numbering madala this will become 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6 and 7. Side B in the numbering madi. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. So parallelly barikire root word same ಇದೆ, that is hept. Then my primary suffix is also same, it is A and E. Locand bariyono, then prefix bariyono. This is from side A and this is from side B. ಎರಡು names ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಚೈನ್ ಎರಡು ಎಂಡ್ ಇರೋದು. once you select the parent chain ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಎಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ A B ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಎರಡು parallel answers ಬರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then it will be very easy for you. So when I am naming from end A, okay, end A yellow naming ಇದೆ, it becomes the locand 3, and what is the prefix ಅಂದಾಗ chlorine ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ chloro. guys ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, whenever there are halogens ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ ನಮಗೆ chlorine ಇರಬಹುದು, bromine ಇರಬಹುದು, fluorine ಇರಬಹುದು, okay, iodine. This will become halo. Fluorine ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫ್ಲೋರೋ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋರೋ, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬ್ರೋಮೋ, iodine ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಯೋಡೋ, iodine. So here it is chlorine. So name using the side A, I have got 3-chloro H ANE. I am using the side B. Look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5 and this is chloro. And what about the IUPAC name? 5-chloro. It is Hept ANE. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು guess ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Number 3 ಇದೆ, number 5 ಇದೆ, and the rule says that you have to select the lowest locand. So this is your appropriate answer. This is your appropriate answer. Guys, I hope I have made the points clear. Innu ಎರಡು rule ಇದಾವೆ. When there are two different substituents at same position, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay, what about if there are two different substituents at the same position, what I have to do? One example, that is my rule number 4. Shall I have this? Very important rule you need to remember. Rule number 4. If two different substituents get same locand when numbered from either ends, if two different substituents get same locand when numbered from either ends, then the substituent with its name coming first in the alphabetical order gets lowest locand. Guys, understand this is very easy. Okay, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಚೈನ್ ಉಂಟು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಚೈನ್, ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೋವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನಂತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೋವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. Don't get confused with the statements, because in the examinations you will not be asked the statements. You will be asked to write the IUPAC name. That's it. Okay? So we'll apply that. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Yes. Don't worry. Sure. We'll go with one very simple, very easy one. So I have got a compound with CH3, then a CH2, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು CH ಹಾಕೋಣ, and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ chloro ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Then we go with the CH2, then we go with the CH. Let me place a bromo over here, then I will get a CH2, then a CH3. So ಯಾವುದೇ ತ್ರಾಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಕೊಡ. ठीक है. So I have got one end, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು end A ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ತುದಿ A ಅಂತ. I have got one more end, I will call that end as end B. Because I have got a straight carbon chain, need not worry about the the branching. Here branches clear can't come. Let me just put a design to that. So I have got two branches over here. Okay, so parallel root word, then primary suffix ivaga. So let me go with the locand plus prefix. Locand plus prefix concept. So from end A now, what about the root word? Another meth, it, prop, but, pent, except. Athwa, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I can write it as root word het. Primary suffix is A and E. Now locand plus prefix ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮಿಗೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಇದೆ, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಇದೆ. I can write it as at third carbon atom it is chloro, and at fifth carbon atom it is bromo. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದು ಡಾಟಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ. ರೂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಟ್. ठीक है. Then primary suffix ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು again primary suffix is A and E. Now locand plus prefix ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. So end B ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this becomes 1, this becomes 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So the third carbon atom is bromo is there, so this becomes 3-bromo, and this is 5-chloro. Guys, here to answer na bariyo. This will be my last example for the day. But mundindu details next class in nono. Now what about the name of this compound? Okay, it is 3-chloro 5-bromo, and the name of the compound het ANE. If name maro, this becomes 3-bromo 5-chloro, and this is het ANE. First lower number ನೋಡಬೇಕು. That's what I'm saying. Select the lowest locand. Lower number ಯಾವುದು? 3. ಇದರ lower number ಯಾವುದು? 3. ಅರೆ lowest locand ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ರೂಲ್ 1 ಬರಬರ್, ರೂಲ್ 2 ಬರಬರ್, ರೂಲ್ 3 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೂಲ್ 4 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 is a lower number coming for C. A B C. 3 is a lower number coming for B. A B. Alphabets ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ A to Z ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ B ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ C ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ? Definitely B. So lower number should be given to the name which starts with the lower alphabet, or alphabet which is coming first in the alphabetical order. So this is your right answer and this is your wrong answer based on the alphabetical order. Guys, this is for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the class, and again it's a humble request, please share the channel, subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you.